Hi. Ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your interest in becoming our dropshipper at ANH Shop to You. Today I will teach step by step to become our dropship member. With the right guidance, we can definitely achieve the dream we dreamed of, as a great dropshipper. Enjoy watching. When you go to ANH Shop to You website, click Come, Join Us, and select Join as Dropship. You can choose to download the application on your phone. I chose to download for iOS users. The method is simple. Hold on, one moment. You will be redirected to your app store, so, please install the application. You can continue to sign in using your Facebook account, or please sign up by filling in your email address and password. I will show you how I key in my information, slowly so that surely you will understand. Then, please click the submit button. Okay. Easy, right? You have successfully registered as a dropshipper. Now please click the proceed button. To activate your account, please enter your phone number and click submit application. With this, you can directly log into your account in the ANH Shop to You dropship application. Once you successfully open the ANH Shop to You dropship application, please make sure you have an account with ANH Shop to You. You can sign in using your Facebook, or you probably already have an account with ANH Shop to You. You can enter your email and also the password. If you forgot the password, please click on the Forgot Password button to get your password again. In Forgot Password, please enter the email that has been registered and click on the Submit button to get a temporary password. We hope that you can utilize this application as much as possible to market your product and gain more commission. If you have registered in this application via sign in with Facebook, you can proceed to log in into this application of ANH Shop to You dropship using the same method. Please click sign in with Facebook. When you successfully click to log in sign in with Facebook, it will automatically appear in your dropship account. For example, in the dashboard, we will see welcome, your account name is stated, and the next thing you can set is how ANH Smart Venture will make payment to you for your commissions. Please enter your PayPal email, and any of your commission, you will receive in your PayPal if you select the PayPal option. If you are a Malaysian citizen and you have a bank account in Malaysia, you can use online transfer option. You can enter your account number and what is the name holder of the bank account, and also enter the bank name. These are among the bank name that has been entered. You can choose one of the banks where you have a bank in branched, such as a FinBank, and the following. Click the update button. The system will inform you, great, your details successfully saved. It means that all the information you have entered has been updated in ANH Shop to You system. For your profiling, if you choose to change your account name, you can do so. Edit your name as you prefer and then click on the update button. You can check your updated profile name in the dashboard. And feel free to log out whenever if you want. This video will mostly explain the features that are available in my store. For the all categories, you can view all of the product that is available in ANH Shop to You. You can scroll down to check for the products. You can also add the product to your store if you want to sell the product for your commission, or you can remove them if you don't want. In addition, you can choose any categories that you like. Let's say you want to sell mug. You can choose from the mug category and copy the URL if you want to sell a particular product. To make it easier for you, you can also copy multiple of URLs by click on Add to Clipboard button. The system will show great. Your URL successfully copied to clipboard. With the URL, you can paste it into your contact or WhatsApp. Customers can click on the link and redirect to the product. If they want, they can easily add to the cart and make payment. Let's say you want to check on the products that are available in your store. You can click on the left side button and all the products that you have added are shown in My Display Rack. You can scroll down to view all of the products that you have enabled in My Store. Let's say you want something different to promote to your customer in order to gain more commission. You can try the category from Design Yourself Store. The unique part in ANH Shop 2U application is you can sell a product that customers can personalize or customize their own design that they create by themselves. When customers clicks on the URL, it will redirect to the page in Design Yourself Store. Customer may feel free to choose the quantity, the color that they prefer, the size that they needed and also the printing method that they want. Just click on Start Design button. This is the step-by-step procedure on how to edit their own design in ANH Shop 2U. Enjoy watching. Have you thought about how to track your commission? Easy. Kindly open your ANH Dropship application on your smartphone and select Transaction feature. Here, you can monitor the overall transaction,